It is important to protect your immune system, especially during winter. And for that, you can use the incredible powers of garlic. Many people don't know the benefits and medicinal uses of garlic beyond the kitchen. Allicin is the main component of garlic, and it has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. It's great for keeping the body healthy. Garlic is a nice ingredient for winter since it boosts immunity. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that strengthen the immune system, has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, and protects the body against germs and infections. Coughs are common during winter, and garlic is great to prevent both cough and respiratory tract infections, since it fights bacteria, viruses, and many air allergies like allergic rhinitis. And lastly, but not least, garlic helps control high blood pressure during winter. Garlic works as a vasodilator, allowing a better blood flow. According to research, people who suffer from high blood pressure should eat raw garlic while fasting. Remember that raw garlic is more potent than cooked. Fresh garlic is more potent than old garlic, and garlic supplements don't have the same benefits as garlic itself. So now that you know these 4 benefits of garlic during winter, making tea with it is a good idea. Make your garlic tea with 1 garlic clove for every 3.5 or 7 ounces of water. Add the garlic mashed or chopped to boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat, then drink while warm. To improve the flavor, you can add some grated ginger, lemon drops, and 1 spoon of honey. If you have a tea or recipe for getting through winter, share it with us. We will love it.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.